Hey guys, welcome back to Solo Pig. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but it's the summer, so I'm going to try and get a grind on and start uploading hopefully every week. So like every Sunday I want to post, but if I can't do it every week, then I'll try every other week, so twice a month on Sundays, so you can always expect my videos to come out on Sundays. Let's get right into this. So I'm doing a fireworks haul, what we got for fireworks for the 4th of July, and I'm going to start off with the smallest and go to the biggest. So the one I'm going to start out with is our ground bloom flowers. If you don't know what these are, they're like, you light the fuse and then they spin and they change colors, and they're really cool. I like them a lot, and here's a video right up here. There will always be a video with all of these so you can see what they do. Of course, this is before 4th of July, but I will record those on 4th of July. Next, we got these little tanks, and basically you light this and it will push it. These actually move, from what I remember. I haven't used these in a while, since last 4th of July, so I don't exactly remember. But I think they move, but they also like shoot little flaming balls. But the next thing is killer bees. I don't remember if I've ever gotten these, but I think it just showers sparks. We might have, but again, clip right up there. But yeah, this seems pretty fun. This one seemed pretty cool, so we got two of those. Crackling string, which I've used these before, I think in smaller amounts. It says with finale, but this should be fun. Basically just pops with a finale. Don't know what that means, but we'll see on 4th of July. Thing that's not in a big box, it's kind of big, is the Jumbo Purple Rain. So this should just like go and emit the sparks and stuff, but otherwise it seems pretty cool. Doesn't seem too bad. Seems pretty nice actually. Then next, I don't count this as the biggest thing because it's a bunch of small things, but I count it as a big thing because, well, it's kind of a big thing. Gotta scoot back for this, hang on. Okay, so up here we've got something that looks kind of like the killer bees. We got two of those. They probably just emit crackling stuff. What is this? Guttering Fountain? Emits showers of sparks. Cool. Then we got, I don't exactly know what this is. We got some more big tubes like the Jumbo Rain. A really big one right there. Down here, it's called I can't read it. It's got a top selling label over it. Got more sparks. I mean, most of these just go cause yeah. This one's called bagging. Wait, what does that say? Raging zombies. We got some rose blossoms. Don't know what those are. Sounds fun. Or a rose blossom. This box. Don't exactly know what that is. A lot of stuff I don't know what it is, but we'll find out on 4th of July. Again, right up here, there's going to be a clip of all of these in action. I'll take a little short clip. But yeah. That's this. It's pretty nice. Really quick, if you guys want to support the channel, make sure you click the link in the description, go to my merch, buy something. There's hoodies, there's zip-up sweatshirts, there's shirts, there's all types of things. I think we even have dog collars on there, but it will really help out the channel and let me do some cool videos I have planned. Of course, I'm not going to leak them because I want you guys to be surprised when they come out, but also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. Let's get to the last thing. This is what we're going to use as our finale. Gotta get up for this thing. It's giant. It's called the Allegiance. And basically, what we heard was, when you think it's going to stop going, it just keeps going, and it goes out a lot wider than they expected and a lot higher. So this one should be fun. Of course, you can see a clip of it right there. Yeah, maximum charge up to 500 grams powder. That's a lot, I think. Don't exactly know what grams are. I'll have to research that. But, yeah. So we should have a good 4th of July. And I hope you guys like this video. Comment what, let's see, let's do a little comment challenge. Comment what your favorite firework is, and the comment I like most, I will give them a shout out. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.